Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove Capcut Watermark from inside video or from the app itself. This is a simple and easiest way. So if you first time use Capcut or you are not yet have Capcut, you can try to search the Capcut from the Play Store or App Store. Here you can search for Capcut video editor. If you already had, please update this app so you can enjoy a new feature from the Capcut itself. Now, in order to remove watermark Capcut logo from your video, you can open your Capcut app first, and you can create a new project or start new project. You can tap the Capcut, tap the projects. Here, by default, if you start your video, ending here like that. Here, in order to remove the ending, you can tap this ending and delete it. Or if you want to remove the ending like watermark, you can add it. And also you can delete from your project, or you can try to delete the watermark outside the project. You can go back to the home page, tap your account or me icon, then you can tap gear icon at the top of your screen in order to access settings. Here, preferences option, you can try to discard ending, like switch off default ending. So now you can completely remove Capcut logo or watermark logo from your project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.